guys, Diana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another beauty unboxing. I am subscribed to Ipsy. They're very similar to BoxyCharm. And I think this year or last year, Ipsy did buy BoxyCharm. So you see a lot of similarities between the two. Ipsy has 3 subscriptions you could subscribe. One is their Glam bag, which is 5 deluxe size samples for $13 plus tax a month. They also have a Glam bag plus, and you get 5 full-size beauty products, and that's for $28. They have a quarterly box, which is their Glam bag X, and that is for $58, and you get 8 full-size beauty products. I think their next Glam bag X is in August, so I would check out their website and see the different types of boxes where you could subscribe, and they'll give you more of the full details about it. But this is my July, so let's open it up. I love getting deluxe size samples just because they're easy to travel with, and I get to try the products before buying a full size one. They come in that in a smaller bag. Let's open it up. How cute. So you'll always get a cosmetic bag, and then it'll come with a postcard to tell you what the theme is. As well, the inside will tell you about each product and the MSRP if you were to buy full size. This month's theme is Soak It All In. Let's take a look. Oh, here's a cute starfish right here. Okay. Excited. Oh, the first item I see, it looks like a full size. Yeah, it is. It's their Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream in Citrus. It's 2 fluid ounces. It retails for $8. It's supposed to keep your hands soft and fast absorbent. It does smell like citrus. It just soaks right in. Oh, it's a nice feeling. I like that. Next, we have Gofadin MD Vital Boost. They gave me the serum, but on the card is a moisturizer, so interesting. Let me see. I always like serums anyway, so I'm glad that they actually gave me a serum instead of a moisturizer. It sounds very liquidy. You guys hear that? It sounds really liquidy. Serum's supposed to look a bit liquid, but yeah. This is very, just pure liquid. It's fine. It has no scent to it. It soaks right in, so I'm excited to try that. It's supposed to help your skin fight against hyperpigmentation and texture. Next, we have Derma E Essentials Overnight Peel. This is supposed to brighten and even out your skin tone. And it does say it is safe for sensitive skin, which is a bonus. Because if you guys have sensitive skin, you know that we tend to break out to almost everything. So, especially overnight peels, they could be very aggressive on sensitive skin. So I'm glad that they emphasize that it's safe. It has no scent, which is nice. Oh, it absorbs right in. So if you were to buy the full size, it's $18.75. Next, we have blush. So this is from Ace Beauty, Blush Up Blush in Plummy. See what I mean when these are great for travel? They're easy to pack. Cute packaging. I love this color. It's like a plum color. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's micro. Yeah, it's finely milled pigments. Can I see that? It blends right in. I'm blending it with my finger. It's blending very smoothly. I like that. It's a beautiful color. Lastly, we have, it's cute. So this is from Mirror. It's half caked highlighter in Pinky Promise. It's highlighter. Yes, it melts right into your skin. That's what it says. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's a nice. Look at that. You see it? Let me swatch it over there so you guys can see it better. It's right there. You guys can see it right there. Yep. It's really nice highlighter. It glides right on. It's really smooth too. I like that. I'm happy with what I got this time. So I got 5 products. Like I said, they're all deluxe sizes and it's for $13 plus tax. Lastly, you're able to add on to your box. So they do offer some deluxe sizes of products where you could purchase online. I've added I'll show you guys what I added. I added the Ocean Cleanser. You guys never tried this cleanser? Oh my gosh, you guys, it is nice, especially for sensitive skin. It makes your skin feel so hydrated after you wash your face. It is a spurge. The full size, I believe, is about $48, and these were $6, I believe, each. And it comes. These are 0.6 fluid ounces, but I buy these for travel. They're great for travel. I love these. So I bought 2 of them to add on to my box. Anyways, you guys, that's everything in my Ipsy box for July. Thank you for watching. Till we talk again. Goodbye.